It's a good idea to organize information into pages when you're creating a report. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm sitting in the model view. So on the left-hand side, instead of clicking the model button, I'm going to go back to the first button, which will take me back to my report canvas. At the bottom here, I can see I've got one page called page 1. And if I wanted to insert another page, I would just simply click this button, this plus here, and it says new page. But another way that people may use is to go to insert up here in the ribbon and choose new page and blank page. You'll notice there's also a command here to duplicate a page. If you had to create another page that was very similar to the page you've got selected, you could simply duplicate it. Another way is also just to right click. When you right click a page, you have the option to duplicate it as well. I'm going to rename this page. I'm not going to use the right click method. I'm just going to double click. And when I double click on a page, I can call it what I want. So I'm going to call it dashboard. And when I press enter, the page tab adjusts to show me the complete name. Now you may notice also that when I hit the plus here, I've added in a new page, and this little page has an X on it, which is how I could delete a page. I could also right click and delete a page as well, or hide it, or rename it, or duplicate it. I'm going to double click this page 1 and I'm going to call it summary. So I've got two pages, one called dashboard and one called summary. And I just simply click on them to jump between the two. You can have as many pages as you like inside of your Power BI file.